What's up, guys? So this is going to be about carpet cleaning being oversaturated. We got people that are just convinced of it. And what I do notice that the people are so convinced about carpet cleaning being oversaturated are people that have been in business and actually are doing pretty dang good in their business, it looks like. Basically, they don't want you to come and take any of their work. They're being paranoid. Either that or they have a bad business model. Okay? So, ask yourself, if you was to go down the street, all around the block, knock on the doors, hey, how would you like to start a carpet cleaning business? Would that be something that you'd want to do in your life? And 99.9% of those people are gonna say no. They'd rather do something else. Not everybody wants to be a cleaner or a carpet cleaner. They don't see the potential in it, and maybe it's just not their thing. So we got these groups with hundreds, thousands of members in it that are carpet cleaners that are interested in this business. We're talking. Say if we were talking 10,000, we got 300 million people in this country. Listen, not everybody wants to do this. If this attracted you, then this is something for you. Like I always say, you got to do it right, though. I'm not worried about other people because, guys, I'm just going to be brutally honest with you guys. I live in a town with 30,000 people. The next town over's got 25,000 people. There's probably, I haven't counted, 10 different companies, I'm not worried about it. Listen, if I can make it in this little bitty town, and you're living in a town maybe 5 times, 10 times, even bigger than me, you got a lot more client possibilities than I do. All right? And the reason why I don't worry about oversaturation is because my business model is to keep my customers. So if I was to get 2 customers a day, just 2 customers a day, and turn at least half of them into a client, could you imagine what the business is going to look like every year that goes by? Because those clients are going to keep using you over and over and over. So pretty soon, you're not worried about new customers. You're just maintaining your clients. If people are convincing you that the carpet cleaning industry is oversaturated, again, they're worried about you. So, what's important to me in life? What's important to me now as I've got to my adolescence, crazy stage in life, and wild and just not good, right? I kind of changed my way of thinking. And I feel like I'm giving back. And I really love the feeling of helping other people, improve their life financially. Because I know when you can improve your life financially, it does, I'm sorry, improve your life psychologically too. Because you're no longer having to worry about a lot of things. You're actually, guys, I know what struggling is. That's why I'm so passionate about this. I'm nobody special. I always say, if I can do it, you can do it. So don't let these people convince you that the market's oversaturated and you're not going to be able to get any clients. It's just not true. If carpet cleaning is not for you, get into something else, other service, hardwood floor cleaning or whatever. My opinion on that is people have, especially in my area, carpets everywhere. And carpets need to be cleaned a lot more often than people are going to be cleaning their tile or hardwood floor is high ticket. Okay? So those can get oversaturated. All right? Hardwood floor cleaning, carpet cleaning. If every carpet cleaner in this area started offering hardwood floor cleaning and pushing it, it's going to be hard to stay busy hardwood floor cleaning, in my area at least, because I live in a small population. So I do offer those things, right? Tile cleaning, hardwood floor cleaning. But I'm always going to keep cleaning carpets too, because I know that's a security, you know? That's going to be there. It's always going to be there every year. You know, these people are going to want to get their carpets clean even sooner. All right? So I don't suggest just starting a carpet cleaning business and just strictly do that. No, man, there's so much possibility. There's carpets, there's upholstery, there's hardwood floor cleaning, there's tile cleaning, and you can get into a bunch of other stuff too. But you know, I mean, it all starts somewhere. And I started out carpet cleaning, and I think it's a life changer. And then another thing, guys, just because the next guy doing another service is making 2, 3 times, 4 times more than you, doesn't mean that you're not making a lot of money for your situation or from what you came from. 5 years ago, I was working 160 hours to make what I'm making now that I can make in 14 hours. If that ain't success, if that isn't doing something, now just because that person may be making 3, 4 times more than me, doesn't mean I'm not doing good. I mean, of course, you gotta prioritize your spending. You gotta make sure you're responsible, right? Because what's the point of making so much money when you're just creating so much more debt and it's breaking even? You have no money in your pocket, but you got a lot of things. So that guy making 4 or 5 times more than me, what about the guy that's making 4 or 5 times more than him, or even 10, 20 times more than him? Does that mean he's not making a good living just because somebody else is making more? You know, people selling yachts, you know, these big moguls selling real estate in LA, they're making $10 million a year. I mean, there's always more. You know, this is what I've chose to do, and who knows what my future is going to be. But my main thing is, you know, I'm so proud that I get messages and comments and, you know, and from people that I've inspired, and they're actually doing it. Some seem like they're even doing it bigger than me. And that, I'm not threatened by that. I'm happy. I'm blessed. See you in the next one.